In this video, we're diving into the most terrifying ways the ocean could wipe us out, and some of them are already in motion. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth, and we still don't fully understand it. We've mapped more of the moon than our own seafloor. But what we do know, it's powerful, unpredictable, and hiding forces that could easily end us. This isn't just about sharks or tsunamis. It's deeper, darker, and far more complex. Number 1. Methane clathrate gun hypothesis. Beneath the seafloor, frozen within sediment, lies an unstable time bomb, methane clathrates. If ocean temperatures rise just a few degrees, massive methane releases could erupt from the seabed. This greenhouse gas is over 25 times more potent than CO2, and if enough is released, it could trigger a feedback loop of rapid global warming. Entire ecosystems would collapse. Crops would fail, mass extinction could follow, and it might not take centuries. Some scientists believe this has happened before and could happen again. Number 2. Mega tsunamis. Most tsunamis we hear about are caused by undersea earthquakes, but those are small compared to what's possible. Imagine a chunk of an island, like La Palma in the Canary Islands, collapsing into the sea. The resulting wave could travel across the Atlantic at jet speed, slamming into the U.S. East Coast with walls of water over 100 feet high. Or an asteroid impact, rare but devastating, displacing ocean volumes no human-built structure could withstand. Entire coastlines gone in hours. No warning, no escape. Number 3. Rogue waves. For centuries, sailors spoke of rogue waves. Massive, unpredictable walls of water appearing out of nowhere. They were dismissed as legend until satellites confirmed their existence. Some reach over 80 feet, rising in the open ocean without warning, even during calm seas. These waves can snap cargo ships in half, destroy oil rigs, and swallow anything in their path. We don't fully understand how they form, only that they do, and they're becoming more common in a warming, stormier world. Number 4. The ocean conveyor shut down deep below the surface. A global current known as the thermohaline circulation, or the ocean conveyor belt, moves warm and cold water around the planet. It's responsible for regulating climate, especially in places like Europe and North America. But if too much fresh water from melting ice disrupts this flow, the system could stall. Without it, regions could plunge into ice age conditions, monsoons could fail, and entire food systems could collapse. Scientists warn we may already be seeing signs of slowdown. If it stops completely, the world would change almost overnight. Number 5. Abyssal unknowns. The deep sea is the most unexplored environment on Earth. Down there, under crushing pressure and eternal darkness, life forms exist that defy our understanding. Organisms that survive off chemical vents instead of sunlight. But what else could be lurking in the Hadal Zone? Miles beneath the surface, massive, undetected predators, ancient microbes capable of triggering pandemics if disturbed. The truth is, we've explored less than 10% of the ocean. What we haven't seen might be the real threat. Number 6. Seafloor supervolcanoes. Beneath the ocean lie some of the largest volcanoes on the planet. Many still active, many poorly monitored. A full eruption from a submarine supervolcano like Tamu Massif or the underwater caldera near Japan could release unimaginable energy. Pressure waves could trigger earthquakes and tsunamis across the globe. Ash and gas could escape into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, collapsing agriculture, and plunging Earth into a volcanic winter. All of it beginning silently, deep under the sea, with no one watching. Number 7. Ocean acidification, collapse. As we pump CO2 into the atmosphere, much of it ends up in the ocean, turning it more acidic. This isn't just bad for coral reefs. Entire food chains, starting with plankton, could unravel. If plankton die off, the oxygen they help produce drops. Fisheries collapse. Marine life starves. And since the ocean gives us over half the oxygen we breathe, we might end up suffocating from the bottom of the food chain up. Number 8. Saltwater infiltration. As sea levels rise, saltwater pushes into freshwater aquifers, poisoning drinking water, killing crops, and destabilizing farmland. Coastal cities from Miami to Jakarta are already feeling it. It's slow, invisible, and irreversible without massive intervention. It's not the ocean rising like a wave, it's the ocean creeping in, inch by inch, until it owns the land we built everything on. Number 9. Dead zones. Spreading low oxygen areas, or dead zones, are growing rapidly across the world's oceans due to pollution and warming. In these zones, life simply can't survive. Fish flee, reefs die, and the balance tips toward collapse. If these zones continue to expand, and some already cover thousands of square miles, they could start to merge, turning entire regions of the ocean into lifeless deserts. We think of the ocean as beautiful, maybe even serene, but it holds forces powerful enough to reset the planet. Some are ancient, some are building right now, and some, we won't see it coming until it's too late. The surface may seem calm, but below it, the ocean is always watching, waiting. And that's all for today, man. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.